So what is improvisation in movement? This technique works about your habits and how you can change them. What we do in the workshop is that we connect to our body through a simple exercise that help us to feel where is our habit, what places are we used to, and then we choose what we want to change, and then slowly in gentle exercise we try to find how to expand these borders. This is one thing of the technique of improvisation and movement. The second thing that we work on is communication. First, after we connect to ourselves, we have different exercise about meeting one partner. And then in this space and time, we have variety of different exercise, some slow, some fast, some funny, some quite deep. But without words, we look for different layers of duets. When do I lead? When do I follow? For example, what's going on when it doesn't work so well? How we can find different ways to work with every partner that we want. The third part of the workshop is about communication in a group, either a very small group like a trio, and then how as a group, without having one that is a director, we create rules to create something that works for everybody together. All this exercise have something special about it because we're having fun, we move a lot, there's nice music in the background, sometimes without music, but if you want, you can really dive deep and take something out. So after every session we take time to talk, to write, to reflect what's going on in the studio and how we take it out to our life, to our everyday life. So the studio is like a big laboratory. We go inside the studio for intensive 4 or 5 days, and then we find out before the end, each of every one, what he wants to take and practice in a simple way in his everyday life.